Hi dear students, today I came to here to teach about the IUPAC names for some chemical compounds which are present in organic chemistry. Okay, they will ask, they will give some type of the compound. What is the IUPAC name for this type of compound? They will ask in the examination. Then while seeing the compounds, then some of the students are then they will get some confusion. But here I came to here to going to give some kind of the formula for giving the IUPAC names. IUPAC is nothing but the International Union of Pure and Applied Chemistry. Based on that, they will give some names to the organic compounds. Here, this is nothing but formula. Okay, this is the formula. Okay, this is the formula. In this formula, okay, you need to remember this formula, important, while writing the IUPAC name for chemical compound. This is said to be secondary prefix. Primary secondary prefix plus primary prefix. Next one is root word. Next one is primary suffix. Next one is secondary suffix. This is the formula you need to remember. Here in secondary prefix we need to take the subject of values, substitutes. Okay, that may be in the form of alkyl group. In the secondary prefix, then alkyl group CH3, C2H5, methyl there means we have to remember you have to remember removing of one hydrogen from the alkyl group, those are changed into alkyl group CH3 methyl group. Here in the place in the secondary prefix here you need to take alkyl group as well as halogen group. Those are chlorine, bromine, like that. That is nothing but halogen group. Next one is NO2 nitro group as well as NO nitrous group. All these are belongs to secondary prefix. All these are belong to secondary prefix. Next one is primary prefix. In this only two types of that one is there. That is nothing but closed and open chain. If the given compound is open chain structure, okay, then you need not mention anything. But if it is a closed like this CH, Br, bromine, like this closed chain structure is there, then you need to mention cyclic. While writing the name, you need to mention the word cyclic. Next one, root word. This one is important. Root one. If the number of carbons is only one is there, then you need to mention meth. If 2 is there, eth. If 3 is there, prop. If 4 is there, but. If 5 is there, pent. If 6 is there, hex. If 7 is there, hept. If 8 is there, octa. If 9 is there, nano. If 10 is there, deca. If 11 is there, dudeca. If 12 is there, double deca. Like that you have to do. That is nothing but root word. Next one is primary suffix. In this you need to consider if the given compound is, if single bond is there in that structure, ane, you need to take alkane. If double bond is there, ene. Okay, if triple bond is there, ine. Okay. Next one, secondary suffix. This consists of functional group, alcohol group, aldehyde group, and next one is acidic group. Next one is ketone group, like this. R. Okay, functional group R dash, now we want ketone. Then you need to make ketone like this. Means here suppose root word completed in the primary suffix. If the bond in the only one chemical structure that is having the single bond, double bond, and triple bond, then you need to give the more priority towards triple bond first. After that double bond. After that single bond. Next one, the functional groups are there. Functional groups and substitutes are there in one chemical compound. Then you have to give the priority towards first functional group. Suppose here then you see the one example CH3, CH. Next one is CH3. Okay. Next here like this there chlorine. What is the name of this one? Okay. What is the name of this one? Here. First one is main chain. You need to select main chain. Main chain is nothing but one carbon, second carbon, third carbon, fourth carbon. Means main chain is the root which is having the number of carbons. You need to select that one. Suppose here again another substitute is there. The CH3 is there. 1, 2, 3 like that. Don't go for like this. Okay. While giving the numbering, then you need to select the more number of carbon which are present in which type of path. You need to select that one only. So then I would like to move from this side. 1, 2, 3, 4. How many number of carbons are there? 4 carbons are there. Then you have to give the numbering like this. 1, 2, 3, 4 like this. Okay. Next, how many number of carbons are there? 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, that is completed. What is the root word? 4 carbons are there. If C is equal to 4, what? Butyl. So you need to write what? Butyl. Okay, butyl. Here, next one is primary suffix. Primary suffix. What is there here? Single bond, double bond is there. Single bond is there. So you need to consider what? A. You need to write here. Butane. Next one, secondary suffix. Functional groups are there. Is there any functional groups are there? Alcohol, aldehyde or acetic acid. Is there any keton? No. Okay. Means this chain does not contain the word functional group. So you need not write anything. Next one, come this side. Primary prefix. Closed or open chain structure. This is open chain structure. So you need not mention anything. If it is closed, then you need to mention here cyclo. So here what? It is about open chain structure, so you need not maintain anything. You need not write anything. But yes, come to this secondary prefix. Substitute alkyls, halogens, nitros and nitros. There. Here suppose halogens are there. Chlorine is nothing but what? Halogen. Where the halogens are there? At second place and third place. So 2, 3. How many number of halogens are there? 2. So di. Okay. What is the name of that? What substitute? Chlorine. So you need to mention what? Chloro. So finally I can be written in the form of 2, 3 dichloro butane. 2, 3 dichloro butane. This is the IUPAC name for what? This structure. Okay, all of you got this one. Means just you go through this formula. Okay, what is the root word? Again, I would like to reveal once again. Root word. What? How many number of carbons are there? 1, 2, 3 and 4. So you need to write butyl. Okay. Here next one. Root word completed. Next one is what? Primary suffix. In primary suffix, we need to consider bond type. Which type of bond is there in that structure? Alkyl bond, single bond, or double bond and triple bond. Which type of bond is there? Single bond only there. So then you need to write the word A. Butyl. Next one. Secondary suffix. Functional groups. Alcohol, aldehyde, acetic acid. Is there any functional groups are there in this? No. So you need not write anything here. Next come this point, this side. Next one, primary prefix. If it is closed or open chain structure, this is total open chain structure. So you need not mention anything. So don't write anything here. Next one, come to secondary prefix. Here all substitutes are alkyl groups, halogens, nitros and there. So here what halogen group is there? Chloro. How many chlorines are there? Chlorines 2. Where they are present at place second and third. So 2, 3. Okay, 2 chlorines are there. Dichloro. Okay, 4 carbons are there. Butyl. Okay, single bond is there. A. Okay, 2, 3 dichlorobutane. What is the IUPAC name for this one? 2, 3 dichlorobutane. Okay, this is the one example. Another example is there. Suppose the chemical structure is like this. CH2, next one is what? CH2, next one Br, bromine, and next one is what? Bromine. Okay, here this is a 1, 2. Right. Here, how many number of carbons are there here? How many number of carbons are there? Yes, go through this one. Root word. How many number of carbons are there? 1, 2, 3, 4. Yes, 4. Means this is nothing but what? Butyl. Okay. Primary suffix. Bond type. Which type of bond is there? Single bond is there. So you need to mention what? A. Okay. Next one. Go to what? Secondary suffix. Is there any functional groups are there? No. You need not write anything. Okay. Next one. Come to this side. Primary prefix. If it is closed or open chain structure, this is what? A closed structure. So you need to maintain what? If it is closed, then you need to maintain what? Write a cyclo. Okay, cyclic or cyclic like this. Next one, come to this secondary prefix. Is there any substitutes are there? Alkyl groups or halogens or nitros or nitrates? Yes, sir. What is there? Halogen group is there at first and second. So what? Bromo. Okay. At which place bromine is there? First place and second place. 1, 2. How many bromines halogens are there? 2. So 1, 2 dibromo cyclic what butane. What is the IUPAC name for this compound? 1, 2 dibromo. Okay, cyclic. Why we have to use cyclic? Means it is a closed chain structure. 1, 2 dibromo cyclic water cyclic butane or cyclic or cyclobutane. This is the what IUPAC name for water. This water. Already we have discussed about the water. This one. Another two examples are there. Suppose CH3 single bond C double bond CH. Okay, single bond CH triple bond like this there. One chemical structure. Okay, what is the IUPAC name for this compound? Like that they will be given. Okay, then don't get confusion. Then you have to remember this one only important. Okay, then first you have to give the priority towards the water functional group as well as water substitute alkynes, halogens and nitrogen. Okay, here suppose if single bond is there, double bond is there, triple bond is there, then you need to give the priority to first triple bond. Means priority means what? You have to give the less number to water. This triple bond. Again less number ene, alkene. Next what is ene? If the functional groups are there, then you need to give the less number to the water. That's all. Here suppose main chain. Here suppose CH3C double bond CH single bond CH triple bond like this there. Then already we have discussed. If the triple bond is there, then you need to give the less number. So first priority. So numbering from what this side 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. How many number of carbons are there here? Then you need to select what root one. How many 5 carbons are there? So water pent. You need to write pent. Root word completed. Next one come to this one. Here primary suffix. Okay, bond type. Okay, which type of bond is there in this chemical structure? Triple bond is there. Next one is what? Double bond also there. Triple bond and what? Double bond is there. Here, yes sir. Triple bond present at which what at the first position. So you need to write 1 alkyne, pent 1 ine. Next one, is there any functional groups? Secondary suffix? No functional groups are there. Alcohol or anything. Okay, not there. Next one, come to this side. First, primary prefix. If it is closed or open chain structure, you need not write anything here. Next one, okay, yeah, next two. But another one thing is there. Come to this one, secondary prefix. Is there substitutes are there any alkyl groups or halogens or anything? Okay, not there here. But one thing is there, that is nothing but here alkyne, YN is there. But here, what is there? Here single bond is there. Here single bond. Where the single bond is present? At the third position of what? Carbon. So you need to write what? 3 what? Ene. 3 what? Ene. In this way you can write. Okay, right. Total this can be written in the form of penta 3 ene, penta 3 ene, 1 ine. This is the what IUPAC name for water. IUPAC name for water. Here this chemical compound. Just a symbol way. How many number of carbons are there? 5. Penta. Okay. Where the triple bond is there? At first position. So 1 ine. Penta 1 ine. Okay. Is there any alkyl group or anything functional groups are there? Not there. So you need not write anything. Is there? It is open chain, unclosed chain, open chain. So you need not write anything. Is there any substitutes are there? Not there. But a double bond present at what? Third position. So finally, what? 3 ene, pent 1 ine. The IUPAC name for this one. But 3 ene, pent 1 ine. This is also correct. This can be finally write like this. Pent 3 ene, 1 ine. This is also correct. In this way, you can write the water IUPAC name for water anything. Here suppose, here another compound is there. CH3 single bond CH2 CH single bond CH2 OH. Here OH and OH are what? Functional groups. OH and OH are what? Functional groups are there. Here how many number of carbons are there? 1, 2, 3 and 4. 1, 2 and 4. But then how can you give the numbering? Means then we have to give the water less number to the water functional group. Functional group where is it? If I would like to give like this 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. Then but it is not wrong. It is wrong. Why? Because then we have to give the less number to the what functional group. So in this way it is third position. Then I would like to give from this side 1, 2, 3 and 4. Then the second position. Functional group is present at what? Second position. Here also functional group is present in the what? First position. That's why we have to give the numbering from the what? This to this side to what? This side. Not don't go for like this 1, 2, 3, 4. This is the wrong method. Okay? Means here one condition is there. We have to give the less number to the what? Functional group. Here from this side to this side only it is having the what? Less number. How many number of carbons are there? 1, 2, 3 and 4. What is the root word? How many number of 1, 2, 3, 4? So you need to write what? Butyl. Okay? Butyl. Next one, bond type. Which type of bond is there? Which type of bond is there? Single bond is there. Okay? Yeah. Right now. Yeah. Next one is there any functional group? Yes, functional group is there. What is that? Alcohol group. OH is nothing but what? Alcohol group. If OH is there, we need to write what? OA. OA. Okay. Next, come to this point. Okay. Primary prefix. If it is closed or open chain structure, open chain structure. So you need not write anything here. Next one. Come to this one. Secondary prefix. Is there any substitutes are there? Alkyl groups, halogen groups, or like that? No. So you need not write anything. Okay. But how many functional groups are there? For first position, one alcohol group is OH group is there. Alcohol group. Next second position also one OH group is there. So two OH groups are there. Alcoholic groups are there. So you can write it 1, 2. Okay. 1, 2 di. Okay, if 2 is there, that is what at first position, second position, alcoholic groups are there. 1, 2 di. What? Butane actually, but alcoholic group is there. Butanol. 1, 2 di-butanol. The name of this one is nothing but what? 1, 2. If the two alcoholic groups are there, di-butanol. The name of IUPAC name of this chemical compound is nothing but what? 1, 2 di-butanol. Whatever it may be, any type of the compound is given in the examination. Don't get confusion, don't get hurry. Then you need to remember this formula. Okay, it's secondary prefix like this. Understand this one. Then you go through your 10th class book. Then you will get the more ideas for this one. If there is any doubts regarding this nomenclature, then you give the comments in our comment box. Then I will clear all your doubts.